Now, Embu County has joined 11 other counties in the country to the processing of orthodox tea in a move that is geared towards boosting farmers' earnings and meeting the rising demand of specialty tea. Rukuriri Tea Factory is set to undertake the 300 million shillings project that's set for the completion in the year 2024.
Kenya tea factories have been embarking on diversifying their product portfolio, leaning into orthodox tea, whose demand has been growing in the international market. Currently, Kenya only produces 500 tons of orthodox tea against a demand of 2,000 tons. Embu County will now process orthodox tea in a project by Rukuriri Tea Factory, which will cost approximately 300 million shillings.
Our traditional CTC teas, the prices are going down while the orthodox teas are going up. Together with the help of the government, we are going to install one line at first, accompanied by 2 automatic withering machines.
The factory chairman, Joseph Ranjau, says there is need for collaboration in funding and financial will extend a moratorium of up to 3 years before starting repayment.
Tunasema mambo ya quality pale kwa kuchuna majani. Lazima achune majani to leaves and bud. Sababu hii majani ya orthodox lazima ikuwe quality mzuri ili ile wakati unaenda kuuza at least inakuwa na market mzuri.
At the same time, plans are underway to have tea fortified products including beer and wine, according to Tea Research Institute. Frederick Moki for Prime Edition.